Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Comfort at nutricomply.com. Thank you for stopping by. Today I will be sharing with you two of my favorite egg muffins. If you are looking for a healthy breakfast to jumpstart your day, these recipes are for you. So let's just dive in straight into today's recipe. God bless you. Yeah, let me just walk you through the ingredient that we'll be using. So I will be making two different muffins. So for the first muffin, I will be adding spinach, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, green onion, fish. I have mackerel fish here that I'll be deboned. I've removed all the bones, and also my egg. So I have 6 eggs there. So while for the second one, I will be adding carrots, white onions, cabbage, cheese. I have mozzarella cheese there, and also 6 eggs. I will start by sauteing my vegetable, and to do that, I will add 4 tablespoons of oil into my pan. So I will add my green onion. I will add the green pepper and also the red pepper. Saute for 5 minutes before adding my spinach. So I will add my spices and seasoning. I have salt here, black pepper here, curry, and chicken seasoning. So I will add my spinach. I will also add the fish. I will saute the vegetable for 5 minutes, and after that it will be ready. Now that the first vegetable is ready, so I will be putting it aside, and I will now saute the second vegetables. We allow it to heat up for 2 minutes and add my onion. I will add my carrots. I will add my cabbage. I will add my seasoning. I'm using the same seasoning. I will saute the vegetable for 5 minutes. The second vegetable is also ready. Now I will be combining the vegetable with the egg. I will mix the egg with the vegetable. Now that they are well combined, I will be portioning them into my muffin pan. So I have 6 cups here, and I have 6 eggs. So my calculation is each cup we have an average of 1 egg. So I will set this aside and also mix the second vegetable with the egg. I also add in the mozzarella cheese. I've preheated my oven to 365 degrees Fahrenheit, so I will go ahead now to bake the muffin for 15 minutes. These are my muffins. This one is that of fish and spinach, while these ones are that of cabbage and carrots. They came out nice and beautiful. Tasting time. The two muffins, they are really yummy, and they have different tastes. Of course, I added different vegetables, so they are not going to give the same taste really. Each has its own unique taste, and they are so yummy. Like I've said initially, that there is no limit to what vegetable that you can add. You can add any vegetable of your choice, but these are just my favorite two, the recipes that I make. Muffin, egg muffin is really nice compared to the regular muffin that is loaded with calorie. So but this one is egg muffin, and egg is so good for us. It has a complete amino acid, is highly digestible. Even it's one of those protein that I use as a standard reference for other protein. So if you are not on plant-based diet, egg is something that you need to consider adding to your diet, most especially breakfast. If you start your day with healthy high protein like egg, so it's going to fill you up till lunchtime. In between, you will not need to take any snack, so it's a good meal to kick off the day. So I want us to give it a try. Let me know in the comment section below your own favorite muffin. That is it for today. God bless you. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, and if you really like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you in my next video when I will be sharing with you another exciting and delicious recipe. God bless you. Bye.